Natural versus human impact on climate change. Our planet is a dynamic, ever-changing place. Over millions of years, natural forces have shaped Earth's climate, creating cycles of warming and cooling that have driven the evolution of life. But today, we are witnessing something unprecedented. Our climate is changing faster than at any other time in human history. The evidence is clear. While natural forces still play a role, the climate crisis we face today is largely driven by human actions. In this video, we will explore the distinction between natural climate changes, those shaped by the Earth's natural rhythms, and anthropogenic, or human-made, climate changes. Understanding this difference is crucial because it's our actions that are now accelerating the process, pushing our planet toward an uncertain future. For centuries, natural events have influenced Earth's climate. Volcanic eruptions can release massive amounts of ash and gases, cooling the planet temporarily by reflecting sunlight away. The sun itself, our greatest source of energy, goes through cycles of solar flares and sunspots, causing slight fluctuations in global temperatures. The Earth's orbit and tilt also change over time, affecting how much sunlight different parts of the planet receive, leading to ice ages and warmer periods. Oceans, too, play a vital role. Shifts in ocean currents like El Niño and La Niña can drastically alter weather patterns, bringing floods to some areas and droughts to others. These natural processes have always been part of Earth's climate story, but these natural changes occur slowly, over thousands or even millions of years. What we are experiencing today is different. It's faster, more intense, and driven by one species, humans. Since the Industrial Revolution, human activities have altered the balance. Burning fossil fuels like coal, oil, and natural gas has powered our cities, factories, and vehicles, but it's also releasing billions of tons of carbon dioxide into the atmosphere every year. This CO, along with methane from agriculture and nitrous oxide from fertilizers, traps heat, warming the Earth at a rate that far exceeds natural variability. Our forests, nature's lungs, are being cut down at an alarming rate. Trees absorb carbon dioxide, but when they are destroyed, the carbon stored within them is released back into the atmosphere, accelerating global warming. In a single year, we lose an area of forest the size of the United Kingdom, further tipping the scales. Industrial processes, massive livestock farms, and waste mismanagement contribute to this toxic cocktail of greenhouse gases. Methane from cattle and landfills, and nitrous oxide from fertilizers, are even more potent than CO. They trap heat more effectively, making them silent but powerful drivers of climate change. The Earth's climate has always changed, but never before has it changed so rapidly due to the actions of a single species. The natural forces that once shaped our world are now being overshadowed by the consequences of our choices. Burning, building, and consuming without regard for the limits of our planet. We are already seeing the consequences. Glaciers and polar ice caps are melting at record speeds, driving sea levels higher and threatening coastal cities. Extreme weather events, hurricanes, wildfires, heat waves, are becoming more frequent and more destructive, leaving communities reeling. Oceans, the cradle of life, are becoming more acidic, endangering marine ecosystems that millions rely on for food and livelihood. The impacts of climate change are not just environmental, they're deeply human. Entire communities are being displaced, and millions of people are at risk of losing their homes, their food security, and their way of life. This is not just a future problem. It is happening now, and it is happening fast. But there is still time. Understanding that our actions are driving these changes gives us the power, and the responsibility, to change course. We need to shift away from fossil fuels, protect and restore our forests, rethink our food systems, and embrace cleaner, more sustainable ways of living. We are the first generation to fully understand the impact of our actions on the climate, and we may be the last that can do something about it. The time to act is now. Every decision we make, every policy we implement, and every voice raised in favor of our planet can make a difference.